is how to fix winservices.exe error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of message appear on your screen. Windows cannot find winservices.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is scan your system. Go to Windows search and type Windows security. Open Windows security in your system, and here go to virus and threat protection from the left side and choose scan options and click on full scan, and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning processes. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to File Explorer, C drive, open C drive and choose program files, and here look for wincludes file. If you found wincludes file, simply remove it. In my case, wincludes file not found in my system. If you found in your system, simply delete it. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup as administrator mode or normal and choose C drive and press OK. Choose temporary file and various other files, clean up system files and press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and here type RSTRUI to open system restore window. Restore system files and settings, click on next, choose a restoration point. You may click on show more options and various restore point you will see. Select any one of them and choose confirm your restore point and press finish. That's all.